Hey everybody, so we're going to do a real quick unboxing from an item that I picked up from Lowe's that was on sale for the red, white, and blue deals. It is a Metabo item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to unbox this Metabo HPT Multivolt kit, battery and charger, as well as get some specifications. So it is item number Ultimate Charlie 18 Yankee Sam Libra 3. It is the 14.4 volt and 18 volt charger, as well as the Multivolt 36 volt charger. I'm going to cut it open and then I'll read more specifications. We'll look at the battery bar, information, see how much charge it's got on it. Picked this up at Lowe's. It was $119 instead of the normal $169, and this is a mileage may vary deal as well, because I went to two Lowe's. The first Lowe's I went to, I bought this, it was $119. The second Lowe's I went to on the way home to go pick up some tools, the second store had it at $169 normal price. Not Milwaukee. Lowe's is also doing a deal on the AC/DC 36 volt multi-volt adapter as well, and where you can get it for $119 instead of $169. Look at the back. Again, this is it's actually, the barcode was covered by the plastic, or the item number was covered by the plastic. Ultimate Charlie 18 Yankee Sam Libra 3 Bravo 1. That is the kit name. So it has the part numbers for each item. Okay, so this part number right here at the top, the Ultimate Charlie 18 Yankee Sam Libra 3, is the 14.4-18 volt rapid charger with USB port. It says USB port to charge a mobile device, full color LED light, charging blue light, charged green light, 15-minute charge time for 18 volt 1.5 amp hour battery, 30-minute charge time for 18 volt compact 3 amp hour battery, and a 52-minute charge time for a multi-volt battery. On the other side is the actual model number for the battery, which is Bravo Sam Lima 36 Bravo 18, or 37212 Mary. So this one is the information about the multi-volt lithium battery. It's a 36 volt, 18 volt dual voltage power all Metabo HPT multi-volt and 18 volt lithium slide type tools. Full capability with current 18 volt cordless tools, slide type. Why they repeated, I don't know. A high capacity 4 amp hour in 36 volt mode and 8 amp hour in 18 volt mode. Powerful output 1,440 watts. Output almost 3 times more than the Bravo Sam Lima 1860 and Bravo Sam Lima 1850. Battery level indicator. 4 levels of remaining battery charge. And it does have 4. It has 1 bar on it. Everything else is in Spanish. It says made in China. Again, the part number is on the back. It's Ultimate Charlie 18 Yankee Sam Lima 3 Bravo 1. This is the 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour kit. Normally $169. We got it for $119 for the red, white, and blue deals. They do have the AC adapter, which is basically looks like a battery with a cable coming out of it, and the transformer and everything. And that is normally $169. You can get it for $119 from Lowe's. They don't have them in stock. It's an online order thing. What I did find out though is Acme Tools will price match. I'll probably leave a link below for this kit, as well as, oops, rubber feet are pretty gnarly on that guy. I'll probably leave a link below for this 8 amp hour, 4 amp hour multi-volt battery, as well as the charger kit, and I'll leave a link for the AC/DC adapter that you can use on like the table saw. And I believe you could probably use it on other items. Look out in the future for videos on the 36 volt dual capable multi-volt 10-inch table saw, because that is the item that I'm waiting to receive in the mail. It's probably going to be about 5 or 6 weeks because it's out of stock. But Acme Tools will price match Lowe's. You have to call Acme Tools and tell them that you want to price match an item, instead of sending them an email after the fact, because the coronavirus caused I think their main call number to shut down. So I just called the Duluth store, and they got me to they got a message to the one of the corporate managers that's supposed to give me a call back. But it's a nice kit for the price. I do like that it comes with the little cover. I do like that they have a metal mesh screening here for venting, as well as one on the back. All in all, it's a very nice battery. It says 18 volt, 4 amp hour times 2 unit. It says Koki Holdings, Tokyo, Japan, which is who bought out Metabo as well as Hitachi. Back of the charger, it says Metabo HPT, input 120 volt AC, 60 Hz, 195 watts for battery, 14.4, and 18 volt DC, 8 amp. So this is an 8 amp fast charger. Koki Holdings. This charger is made in China. The battery is actually made in Japan. So it's nice that the battery is made in Japan. Here's the part numbers, if they will show up. I did show the part numbers on the paperwork. Here's the part number on the charger. Those are some gnarly little feet. That's pretty nice. Again, it has 1 bar, which is fairly easy to see. It's very easy to slide the battery on the charger, which is nice. It is a little topsy-turvy. The USB port is on the back. It is a 5 volt 2 amp port. It does not look like this charger at all has mounting screws or mounting slots, which is kind of a bummer, but not a big deal. We'll just put it on the toolbox. Comes with a little instruction booklet and this little plastic guide for the battery. It is a very well made, nice battery. I do like that. It's pretty hefty for a 36 volt, 18 volt multi-volt. I got a bunch of tools coming to the channel. tools we're going to do unboxings, specifications, and weights and measurements, all that good stuff. So please stick around, check out those videos when they come out. I appreciate your guys' time. Hope this information was helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI affiliate links. I will leave Acme Tools links for these. You guys, all you got to do is ask them to price match Lowe's and give them the part number for each kit. I will leave the kit information for the power plug, AC/DC adapter in below. We'll do a separate unboxing as well as information talk video on that when I receive it in the mail. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace!
Yeah.